Oh, okay, so Sunday evening, markets just opened. We've had this big gap down, um, and now we are starting to do this sort of V-shaped recovery. So we've broken through VWAP and the 10 EMA, and now we're just starting to push a little bit higher again. So threw a long on, hoping that we were gonna keep. I mean, obviously, you got to put your stop loss somewhere. So, and we just got hit, which is a shame, but it is what it is. I think a lot of times in sort of trades like this, I've got the right idea, um, but you got to put your stop loss somewhere. So we do get stopped out, and then it proceeds to go a little bit higher. Although admittedly it doesn't go and fill that gap. So, well, not tonight anyway. So yeah, it is what it is. On to the next. Right, so moving back over to the 5 minute chart, we can see it's starting to roll back over again. So to be fair, so this evening we took 4 trades, 2 losers, 2 winners, and it basically was just like that. It was, if it can't go up, well, we'll take the short, and vice versa. So yeah, had to sit through a tiny little bit of drawdown on this one, but we've it really picks up some momentum here. We were able to move our take profit down a little bit as well to sort of capture a little bit more of this move. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, we were able to catch a bit more of the move, moved our stop loss to just guarantee ourselves profit. But yeah, that was a good trade. Yeah, again, so we've recovered from that sell off again, and we still looking at the longs, still looking at that gap fill. And again, stops pretty tight. We don't want to give it too much. Obviously, with the way the Nasdaq was breaking all-time highs over and over again every single day last week, it was very difficult to not have the same bias this week. So we're looking for longs on it, I would say. But yeah, still, I mean, you just don't know what it's gonna do. Like I say, stop's very tight. We're looking to for a little bit more push up there, which we don't get. So yeah, whatever. So again, we took a shot, and it picked up a massive momentum. So a big volume spike came in, and the market just dumps again. So I don't know. Maybe that's a sign of what we might see this week. A little bit more pushback. Who knows? We'll see.